Welcome, here I've got REALME X3 SuperZoom and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to more advanced options. Now we can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and it gives us access to 3 other buttons. For now let's focus on this one from the right. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. And now as you can see in the general settings at the third position we have the location, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information here is that when we really want to save the actual location of our picture, to make it work correctly, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location service. So remember about these 2 parameters to make it work correctly. And now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera to take a photo. And for now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this we get quick access to the gallery, and here we have Krakow, so greetings from Poland. This is the short info about the location, and to check more details we have to go here to the right corner at the bottom to more and pick the details. And as you can see here at the third position we have the address. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.